Hello and welcome once again. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute and simple project. It's great for Easter. It's a little brooch pin and it's a bit of a rabbit and a fluffy tail with the hind feet. So just rolled up some wool, and you can make it as big or as small as you want it to be. I'm using corriedale slivers and I'm going to just make the basic shape. You can make it oval because we have to shape the behind of a rabbit. Like, it has to look like he's getting inside your pocket. So it's going to make a really cute brooch pin. So just shape it up till you're happy with it, and roll some more wool to make the feet. Felting it down, and you have to just keep checking the size with the body so you've got them right. I'm adding more wool to it. You can Google the shape of the feet in illustrations. Just write rabbit feet illustrations or Easter bunny feet and you'll get the shapes there. So I always use reference from Google or Pinterest to make my little projects. So once you've got the shape of one foot, you can put it on top of the wool of the other one and get the same size. I'm giving it a slight bend with my needle. I've got some white merino top. It's called lightning, so it's really white, and I've just gathered it with my hands and covering up the foot with it. Covering both sides, or you can do one side if you want to, because the other side will be hidden, but I'm doing both of them. Keep shaping it with your needle until you're happy with it. And now I'm adding little baby pink merino top to make the markings of the little paws. You need really tiny amount of wool for this. I'm making 4 little toe marks and didn't look quite alright, so I took it off and felted it again. So here I've got the 2 feet ready, and I'm going to put the brooch pin in. And just take some wool and firmly felt it down so the whole pin is covered and is securely fastened to the brooch pin. So I'm using the same white fluff cover the body as well before I attach the feet to it. Now I felt it down to attach the feet, and you have to do it carefully. I'm doing it around because now I've got the brooch pin at the back, so I have to be careful not to break my needle and to make sure that it is securely in place. Now I'm going to make a fluffy tail. Just some wool and just pull it out, guard it with your fingers and felt it down. So here it is. It will look great on your pockets, on your bags, and hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching.